The Dirt Boss for 2021, Ryan Maifield Mugen JConcepts wins all three categories: Nitro Buggy, Nitro Truggy and E-Buggy. Very nice. Elias with Shepherd wins at the Brazilian Nuts 1/8 scale on road. Hickerson with Soar wins at the Florida RC Championship in the USA. Bakla with XRAY Touring Machine wins in Australia. Due to the virus situation, the Efra 1/12 scale Euros at the Hudy Arena will not take place at the date they were programmed. Agathoise, a nice event in France, is also cancelled due to the virus situation. Savoia would take place at this event and had prepared some information and the photo. Domanin showcased his RX-8 machine by XRAY. By Associated Factory RC, charger and tools bug and radio bug. Again by Associated, DR10 drag tires. Colors and designs by Bittydesign. XRAY has posted SCX setup sheet online by SMJ in various colors, magnetic body post markers. Witz RC presents two nice hats.